In this video, we show you how to add your business tax information to allow Xero Payroll to submit your payroll information to HMRC. Let's take a look. Select the Payroll tab from the Xero dashboard, then choose Overview. To add tax details for your organisation, click Add Tax Information. First, enter your PAYE office number, reference number and accounts office reference. You can find these within your previous payroll system or in HMRC correspondence regarding your business payroll. Moving on, complete the following optional fields as needed. If you operate as a sole trader or a partnership, enter your self-assessment unique taxpayer reference or UTR, as it's commonly known. If your business is a limited company, enter your corporation tax UTR. Xero needs this number to report CIS data to HMRC. Next, select if you're eligible for Small Employers Relief. You'll qualify for Small Employers Relief if you've paid less than a certain amount of Class 1 national insurance in the previous complete tax year. To check if you qualify, visit the HMRC website. If you've registered with HMRC for payrolling of benefits, select Yes to the following question. You must be registered with HMRC to report employee benefits through payroll, and you can only add employment benefits to pay runs if you've selected Yes. If you haven't registered for payrolling of benefits, keep No selected. You'll need to report employee benefits to HMRC using Form P11D. If you're eligible for employment allowance, select the checkbox to claim it for the relevant tax year. Click HMRC's guidelines for more information about employment allowance. If you select the checkbox to claim the employment allowance, complete the industry details about your business. Select one of the specific industries, or choose Other if your business is not involved in any of those industries. Select State aid rules do not apply to this business if your business is a not-for-profit organisation, such as a charity or community sports club. Click Done to save your selection. Enter your HMRC Government Gateway user ID and password. Then select whether you're making RTI submissions as an agent. Choose Yes if you're an accountant, or bookkeeping submitting payroll on behalf of your clients. Or select No if you're submitting payroll directly as part of the business. You'll need to enter details such as your business name and address if you're submitting payroll as an agent on behalf of your clients. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. Return to the Payroll Overview page to see the task marked as complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.